Hey everyone, welcome to iCode. Today we're going to look at 2390 removing star from the string. It's a medium problem, but it's pretty easy. Uh, it's been asked in Amazon a couple of years back. And then let's go through the problem now. So I'll give you the intuition of the problem. So what they have asked is whenever we come across the star into the string, we can delete that string and the left character to it, right? So we can delete the star and the left character to it. So for this star, I can delete T and star. Then let's solve it here. Yeah. So for this star, I can get rid of T. For this star, I can delete star and E. And then for this star, you can delete star and D. So if you see when I did this, it pretty much indicates to the stack, right? So how we'll solve this is going to copy this here again, and here I have a stack. So I'm iterating over this string right here, and I is at L right now, right? So this is not a star, so I'm going to just append L here. Now my I is going to be at E, so it's not I haven't seen star yet, so I'm going to keep appending it into the stack. So again, next it's again another E, so we keep appending E. Increment I, I'm at D, keep appending. Now this is the star, so we can get rid of the star and T, right? So at this point, whenever I come across star, I delete the top of my stack, right? Again, keep incrementing. Okay, one more star, we pop again one more character, C, so we append C. O, it's a O, right? It's not star, so append O. It's D, it's not star, so append D. Now we see star, so at that time we pop D, whatever the character is. Now I see E, so append E, and that's it. Lecoe, that's the answer. It's pretty easy problem. So let's see and code it up, but they have also given couple of conditions. The input will be generated such that operation is always possible, so we'll always be able to, they will not give any tricky string, it will always have some answer, right? It can be shown that the resulting string will always be unique, right? Let's start coding it up. So I'm gonna need one stack and then iterate over the string s for I in s, and then if I see if I equals star, in that case we will do st.pop, else let's do if I is not equal to star. In that case we just st.append, we append I, and in the end return. So this is going to be the array, right? St is going to be array, but we see how do we need to return this. So in Python you can do this pretty easily. It just like there is one join function, join, and then it will do it for us. So empty string join st will return the string, right? And let's run it. Yeah, this is pretty easy code. And yeah, 40%, no, that's fine. So this is it. And then for time complexity wise, it's often, since we are iterating the whole string, so that's going to be often. Space complexity wise as well, it's going to be the often worst case scenario. Suppose I don't have any stars, right? So in that case just gonna return the whole string as is. So in that case this stack will have everything. This stack will have all the whole string. So in that case it's gonna be often. And this is it. It's pretty easy. Well, if you like the code and solution. Please like and subscribe. If you need me to solve any other problem, let me know down in the comments. Thank you very much.